One of the most useful commands when you're creating a presentation is duplicate. So let's have a look at how this option works and how you can use it. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here, sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Subscribe to my channel to see videos when they become available, and check out the links in the description below to join my email list for more tips and tricks. Duplicate basically makes a copy of something that you have selected, which makes it a lot quicker and easier than using copy and paste. The nice thing is that you can duplicate pretty much anything you can select, and that's pretty much everything within PowerPoint. First thing we need to do is actually have something to duplicate. So I'm just going to draw a quick rectangle. And when we're talking about items on the slide, the quickest and honestly the only option I can find is the shortcut key, and that's Control D for duplicate. So with my item selected, simply press Control D, and there is a second identical item. It's slightly offset, being a little bit lower and a little bit to the right of the original shape, just so you can see that there is now two shapes. What's really nice is that I can keep pressing Control D to create as many duplicates as I like. Now, once I've got several, I can actually choose to select all of them. So you can see they're now all selected. And again, I can press Control D, which will duplicate the whole group. That's actually something that's really useful. Once I deselect them, I can now click and drag and move them around as individual items. However, what else can we do? Well, we've seen that we can duplicate individual items and groups of items, but you can also duplicate slides. If you've got a slide where you think, actually, I just need something very similar, we can duplicate the entire slide. Again, I can select, so remember to select the slide by clicking over in the slide sorter on the left-hand side. Quick tip here, you'll notice that none of my individual items are selected anymore, and that's helping me to see that I've selected the whole slide. I can now do Control D, and there I've now duplicated the entire slide. If you prefer, you can right click on the slide and you'll see that there is a duplicate slide on the right click menu. If I do a right click on an item, you'll see there is no duplicate for an item. So you do have to use the keyboard shortcut when it comes to items on the slide itself. So duplicate, really useful, quick way to create duplicate items or multiple items without having to use copy and paste. You do have to use that if you are working across slides, because it will only duplicate on the slide or the entire slide. But give it a go yourself and see how useful it is for you.